Hey everybody, John Grimsmo here. I want to talk to you guys about our ordering process and how you guys are able to order knives from us. We've gone through, over the years, we've gone through many different ordering styles, from a giant pre-order where everybody paid up front, sent in all their money, and then waited until the knives got finished. We weren't the best with that because we took a long time. For the past 2 years, we've been developing and using our Maker's Choice system, which has been working so well, where basically we get to make any configuration of knife that we want, and then we put it up to the list. You can sign up to the list on our website, grimsmoknives.com, and then names get randomly picked using a custom script and then emailed that knife, and if you want it, you take it, otherwise the next guy gets picked later. That has been working very well, but just like everything else that we do here at Grimsmo Knives, continual improvement is one of the core values that we have. So our ordering process needed a little bit of an update. So we have since, just in the past week, Erin and I have been working really hard, along with a programmer that she found on Upwork, to create what we're calling the Buyer's Choice system. Works very similar to the Maker's Choice, where emails get picked automatically and randomly, except this time you get to choose your options from the list that we have cultivated. So we have handle patterns, whether you want honeycomb, diamond, reverse honeycomb, double honey, plain, or what colors do you want? Blue, bronze, purple, gold, things like that. And then the hardware color, the handle color, the pattern. There's some fancy stuff we've done in the past that we're not offering right now, but we do intend to integrate it later as we can. Things like inlays, Damasteel, Timascus. I know you guys want all of this. It's just really difficult for us to do that at scale, at the scale that we're getting at. So yeah, we're not offering those fancy things yet, but maybe eventually. But yeah, the Buyer's Choice is working really well. So it uses the exact same list as the Maker's Choice, so you guys don't have to change anything, but if you haven't signed up yet, you can go to Grimsmo Knives and sign up. And then the third thing that we're doing is every now and then, when we're feeling a little bit saucy, we'll put knives into the inventory on our website. So there's a page called Norseman Inventory, and there might be, you know, between 0 and a few knives up there at any one time. So stay tuned on that, check back often, and you might be able to score one that way. I've heard some really good feedback about the inventory, some really good feedback about the Buyer's Choice, and most people love the Maker's Choice too, except when they get picked for like a purple and bronze knife and they're like, man, I really wish I had a blue and gold one. So the Buyer's Choice is going to hopefully alleviate that. And over time, we will play with the levels of Maker's Choice versus Buyer's Choice, because we have that control now. We can do, you know, the Buyer's Choice system picks X many names per day, and then we can play with the levels. So we're playing with that, just like everything else that we do. Always trying to make it better, always trying to give you guys what you want, and let us do what we love to do and grow our business and create the best products we possibly can for you guys. And this framework will also apply to the Saga pens and the Rask knives and future products. So we're trying to build the system that, you know, helps grow our company. So yeah, that was my little rant for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned.